Welcome to the week number 11, overview for managerial economics here at Rutgers University in Camden. And in week 11, you are taking the module number 3 test. So what I want to do is give you a distribution of questions by chapter. This way you get an idea of where to direct your studies when preparing for the module number 2 test. So you can understand which chapter you might want to spend a little bit more time on, which chapters you might want to spend a little less time on. For this, we're only going over 3 chapters. Chapter 11 has 23 questions, which is roughly 33% of the total number of questions. Chapter 12 has 21 questions, representing about 30% of the questions on the module number 3 test. And chapter 14 has 26 questions, which is 37%. So make sure you realize that chapter 14 is weighted slightly more than the other chapters, so you're aware of that, and that you should spend some additional time on chapter 14 relative to chapters 11 and 12. Once again, I'm pointing out that you should use the study plan. Remember, you have 3 attempts on this module test, with the highest counting towards your grade for the course. Make sure you avail yourself of all of those. In particular, make sure you take this module number 1 test early in the week. That way you will be given ample time in order to review the material that you didn't do well on. You could review the test that you took, what questions you got right, what questions you got wrong, and then you can spend some time reviewing the material you had difficulty with and hopefully improving your knowledge and improving your score. So make sure you use the study plan. Remember, the study plan gets updated after you take the test. So it highlights information from the chapters that you didn't do particularly well on in the test and directs you to work on those particular items. So again, remember, you have 3. You can take the exam on 3 separate occasions, with the highest score counting towards your grade for the course. I would highly recommend that you take the your initial attempt at the test early in the week so that you give yourself ample time to study to improve your score. And as always, make sure you make use of the study plan. I believe it's an efficient way for you to improve your knowledge and improve your score on the test.